You want to wear color contacts but don't know how to get them in? Let me show you. Come on. To get the contact in, what we're going to do is we're going to take our little tweezers. We're going to make sure that there's no little hairs. We're going to pick up the contact. Picking it up, I'm going to get the excess liquid off. I'm going to flick it off. I'm going to set it once onto my little suction cup thing. I'm going to then dab off my suction cup thing on a fresh piece of paper towel so that it's completely dry. Then we're going to make sure there's no excess liquid on this contact. We are going to make sure there's no fuzzies on this. We're going to set it directly in the middle, just like that. Set down your tweezers. And then what you're going to do is this. You're going to pull underneath the top of your eyelash, pull down, and then go in. And then there you go. Just that easy. Just that easy. It's as long as you make sure to pull up the eyelash from underneath and go down here, then it is going to make it so much easier. A few pro tips is if you struggle a few times getting it in, make sure every time to wipe the eye area and get the excess liquid off. That's going to help you get it in so much easier. And if you don't have this little tool, make sure to dry off your finger and that will help make it easier as well. So, that's how you get them in. Now let me show you how to take them out. So when you're removing contacts, make sure you have a fresh bath ready that's from a clean lens case. I like to use the BioTrue lens solution. I really like this. So to take out the lenses, some people use their fingers, but anytime I bring my fingers close to my eye, it's not going to work. So mine came with these little tweezers to help like pick up the lenses and take them out. And I like to use these, and sometimes I can clip it easily, and sometimes I have to push it to the inner corner and drag it out. Depends on how lucky I am. So let's try clipping it out, and if we can't, I'll show you how I drag it out and how I place it back in, so that way I never have to worry if my contact is inside out or not. All right, I need a mirror for this, so I'm not going to be able to clip it. As you can see, it's very difficult to do, especially with things in my hands. So what I do is I bring it over to the inner corner. I pick it up with the tweezer, and now when it came out, it did turn inside out. So what we're going to do is make sure that when we take this lens out, it's flipped the correct way. And now I'm going to put it into my clean lens case. And that is how you get your contacts in and out. Thank you so much for watching, my friend. I hope you enjoyed. Bye.